Hello guys, welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be a bit of a different video than you're normally used to from me, because today we're going to start working on my celica. A few weeks, probably a month ago, I dropped the teaser for version 2.0, and this video actually marks the start of that building kind of series. I think I'm going to make a series out of it. So yeah, we're going to start by taking the wiring harness for the engine out, because yeah, we need to replace that for the swap that's coming in. So I've actually never done something like this before, so it's all going to be new for me too. But I believe the ECU is somewhere underneath the dash. So we're going to take that out first, then we'll see from there. Okay, so I managed to find the ECU. It's, if I can get my phone in. Nope. It's the little unit over there with the Japanese writing on it. The thing is, I've got to remove all of this to get to that little unit, and I don't have the right tools with me at the moment. So tomorrow a friend of mine is actually coming over, Jeffrey. You've probably already seen him on my channel, and he's got the right tools to get it out. So I'm just going to put everything inside the car now, and yeah, we'll try and get to it tomorrow. So yeah. Okay, change of plan, because Jeffrey's actually already here. So we're going to tow the celica over to his house, because he's got most of the tools already. We need to tow it to Vlissingen tomorrow anyway, so yeah, why not do it now? So yeah, the first drive of 2019 in my celica, and I'm being towed. Great. Okay, so some idiot decided to throw the car in front of us right at a piece of road where it narrowed down, so we had to make an emergency stop, and unfortunately the cable snapped. So Jeff is now getting another cable to tow me yeah, the last 400 meters, because we're like right in front of his house. But yeah, I'm standing in the middle of the road now, waiting for him to come back. And yeah, and look what we've got there. Jeffrey, he's back. Best part is we've got viewers over there. They're just watching casually. Okay, so remember that I said that we were literally right in front of his house when the cable broke. That's where it snapped, and this is where we're at now. So yeah, it was literally the last, not even 100 meters, but we made it. So we're gonna put the celica in place, and we will start working. I'm out of focus now. I'm in focus again. We'll start working on it tomorrow. So yeah, it will be just a second for you guys, but it will be tomorrow for me. So good morning. It is the next day for me now. I'm back in the celica. We're gonna try to get the middle piece out to reach the actual ECU. So time lapse incoming probably. Alright guys, so as you can see, I took the seats out just because it gives me a clearer view of what I'm doing, and just makes everything more easy for me. So yeah, back to the time lapse. Alright guys, so as you can see, most of it is out already. The thing is, I was stuck on the climate control unit yesterday, and I'm still stuck on it today because I still have no clue how to get it out. So yeah, I'm gonna try to figure out how to get the climate control box out, and I believe if we've got that out, yeah, most of it is actually done. So yeah. guys, so I'm not quite sure if you can see it, but in the back there's these little clips holding the box in place. So we've got to undo those and they should pop right out. So we managed to take the climate control unit out, and believe me when I say it was a bit of a hassle. Yeah, I'm just going to show you guys. In the back here, there's these two little clips, and on the unit itself you had to clip them out and then pull these out, but because of the limited space it was an absolute shit show. It took us probably a good 20 minutes to get this little unit out, so. Guys, we actually got it out. Oh my god, that was so much more trouble than I anticipated for. But we got it out and I'm going to show you now. As you can see, the ECU is right there and the clips for it are all over here. So all we have to do is take those out and hopefully we can just easily pull the harness out through the engine bay. So you heard me say hopefully, because it's not my first time working on a car, so easy is not something that's in the car's dictionary, but I do hope, I really hope that it will just snap right out. So yeah, bear with me. So there's just one more cable connected to the wiring harness from the inside, and I traced it back all the way to the steering wheel, unfortunately, and it's connected to a whole lot of boxes and it splits up in like shitloads of different cables. So that's all for today. In the other episode we're going to take the engine out and we're going to take the rest of the wiring harness off. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and also just let me know what you think of it so far. Do you want to see more of this kind of vlog, car build style videos or not? Yeah, bye.